Hi, welcome to the video, and today we're talking about why Nikola stock rose 8% today. So what happened? Shares of electric truck Nikola were up 8% as of noon EST Tuesday. The stock has gained more than 20% since the start of the year. So what? So far in 2021, Nikola has started to turn around a negative sentiment that led to a turbulent year for the stock in 2020. Some reported progress surrounding its new factory and battery electric trucks has begun to give investors more confidence. Today, Plug Power, Nasdaq Plug, and French automaker Renault announced a partnership in the hydrogen fuel cell sector that helps legitimize Nikola's plans for utilizing that technology. So what we have here is what usually happens when Nikola stock experiences a bump, and that's when an unrelated company within the hydrogen sector does something cool or creates a new partnership. Nikola gets a bump. So today, that is part of the reason why Nikola had a bump, but it actually also had its own good news for once. The catalyst for Nikola directly is that it actually landed good electric rates in Arizona, meaning that they will be able to create hydrogen at a cheaper rate with this electric rate schedule they worked out with the Arizona Public Service Company. Nikola estimates that under the rate structure, it will be able to deliver hydrogen at market-leading prices and within the ranges required for Nikola to offer competitive lease rates for its truck customers. The rate schedule in Arizona is said to pave the way for the curtailment of greenhouse gases in the transportation sector. Now again, back to the joint venture with Plug Power and Renault. It's not directly associated with Nikola or its semi-trucks, but its plans to expand hydrogen fuel cell technology for light commercial vehicles in Europe, including relating fueling infrastructure, is positive for Nikola too. They are embarking on a 50-50 venture, and it's slated to be operating in France by the end of 2021, with initial deployments of vehicle fleets also by the end of the year. Additional good news for Nikola is that they are ready to show off some of their Tre trucks. JP Morgan says it believes 3 Nikola Tre trucks are now in Arizona and are at various stages of commissioning. The process is expected to conclude by the middle part of February. Analyst Pau Koster quotes, "At least one of the trucks is already mobile, but optimal performance requires software-based integration of approximately 20 subsystems, which is an iterative process. The company seems happy with the performance of the trucks and expects the delivery of the next batch by early February." JP Morgan has an overweight rating on Nikola and price target of $35. The negative news flow has slowed down for Nikola, and the stock is participating in a broad rally in EV stocks today. So based on these positive catalysts, has my opinion on Nikola changed? My honest answer is that yes, it has changed a little bit. This is all very good news, but at the same time, we cannot forget their history of deception and not being able to deliver anything on time. Just the fact that a couple of Tre trucks are coming out does not mean they're going to be able to produce these trucks at scale and at cost and at the specifications that they previously promised. Nikola is still a very, very risky bet. This is positive. I don't want to downplay it. But when every dollar you have is an opportunity cost to put into a company that you truly believe in, why would you spend any money on Nikola? I know people are still betting on it, trying or hoping that it could be the next Tesla, but this is already far and away the opposite of what the next Tesla would be. As of right now, it's not as terrible as an investment as it once was, but it's still very, very weak. I think even Nikola is riding this EV bubble right now where people are excited and trying to invest in every company for fear of FOMO. But while we are riding the hype train, people are missing out on the actual fundamentals or understanding the fundamentals of a company. And Nikola is a company that it was built on quite a series of lies. Don't invest in this and ignore all of these stories that are continuing to push Nikola. They've been pushing this company since late last year for months now. Its stock price has been cratering for months, and the mainstream news media continues to push it for some reason. I'm not sure why. Just be careful and be critical. And yes, even if they're doing better now, it doesn't mean they're a good company to invest in. There's much better places to put your money. That's it for today. Let me know what you guys think of this story. Does this make you think differently of Nikola because they have a good partnership with an electric company, or is it the same old sketchy company? Let me know. This is Green Knight Trading, or Squires become Knights. I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon.